the pieces of work we're doing has been to collect data on how children and families are using their time at the moment, showing very clearly that there is a very strong social gradient in the extent to which children are being supported by schools, let alone by their parents in doing schoolwork. That, I think, has already been pretty influential, at least in changing the nature of the debate about that and in pushing government towards putting more emphasis on getting children back to school, because the costs of this in the long run, again, building on the sorts of work we've done in the past, and the cost not just overall, but in terms of inequality, are potentially absolutely huge. When we're thinking about the design of, this is one of the projects that we're doing, the design of the policies to support the economy as we move out of this crisis. How do you unwind the increase? If you're going to unwind the increase in the welfare spend, what impact might that have, and how might you do it, is something we're going to be looking at very carefully, though my guess in that case is that a lot of these supposedly temporary measures will turn out to be with us for quite some time to come. And looking a little bit further down the line, we will also be thinking about how we might have to design tax increases, not this year and probably not next, but as a long run response to this crisis. I don't think there's any question that we're going to have a potentially quite significantly overhauled tax system. We've worked for many years on how you might design tax systems, and the particular nature of this crisis and the particular nature of the needs for additional revenue going forward, we will build new recommendations on the back of that long back catalogue of work.